Man, did they have to test that early?
Tests are normally conducted by the
Great.
National Weather Service every Wednesday and Saturday between 10 a.m. and 12 noon. When there is a threat of severe weather in the area, the test is postponed until the first good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the alarm
And they just tested early.
This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. The warning alarm will be activated for severe thunderstorm, tornado, and flash flood watches, and for severe weather warnings affecting the following counties in the KIH54 listening area: Bibb, Blunt, Chilton, Coosa, Jefferson, St. Clair, Shelby, Tuscaloosa, and Walker. This has been a test of the NOAA radio warning alarm device. We now return to our normal programming.
Man, they tested early. 10:58. Are you kidding me?
Today, mostly cloudy.
Wow.
With a slight chance of thunderstorms this morning.
Man, they just tested early. I was like almost done trying to set up my radios until this happened. I was almost done. But oh well.